Hi, and welcome to the Easy Way channel. In this video, I will show you how to add new user to your Windows PC. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video helped you. And now let's jump into the method. Click on Start and select Settings. Here click on Accounts. Now click on Family and Other Users. Select Add someone else to this PC. For this tutorial, I will not use Microsoft account, so click here on I don't have this person sign-in information. Now you will select Add a user without a Microsoft account. You will have to create username, and you can add password if you want. If you choose to add password, you will have to answer these questions below, in case you forget your password. So remember your answers. When you are done, select Next. And now your local account is created and ready to use. To switch to this account, click on Start and select your current account. Here you will see account you just created. Select it, and if you created a password, you will have to enter it, and you will be switched to your new account. And that was the way how you can add new users to your Windows PC. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video helped you. If you want to buy me a cup of coffee, feel free to hit that thanks button. Subscribe with the bell on if you haven't already, so you don't miss my next video. Until then, stay safe, and I see you all.